Hey guys, Sarah and Adam here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, this guy is doing my makeup. So I actually just redid my makeup, spoiler alert. But I used the exact same products that he will be using to do my makeup today, so.
It looks exactly the same.
Yes, I don't know why I redid it. So if you are interested in that, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. And let's get into it. All right, so in here you will find
Ow!
Sorry. What?
Hurting me is not funny.
Okay, anyway, in this you will find everything that I would normally wear.
All of that?
Yeah. And then these are all of the tools that I use.
All of them?
Yes. You guys, it's not that much. It's just like it's one of everything. And then these are my brushes and my sponge.
I don't even know what I do with that sponge.
Well, I gave you these things.
How am I supposed to find it if it's all in a box?
Well, you can take it out of the box. And you can use whatever out of it that you want. If you don't think you need to use something, then don't use it. Do you know what any of the stuff is?
It says foundation.
Yeah. Most of them have names on the back that you would know what it is.
Lotion first?
Sure. What? Okay, you have to be gentle on
You have
my
an
face.
eyelash on your face.
But you have to be gentle. We don't need to cause any wrinkles here.
How am I gonna cause a wrinkle?
This feels very weird.
Why are you laughing?
Because it feels weird. So moisturized.
Yeah.
What's happening in your brain?
I'm trying to figure out what this stuff is.
It says, doesn't it?
Have you used over or under a foundation?
What?
Can I put it on the sponge or on your face?
Whatever you want to do.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Feels very weird. How's the shade match? Are you matching to my face or to my neck?
Yeah.
You scratched me.
Yeah.
Makeup artists are supposed to be very gentle on your face. Switching up the shades.
Yeah. Get the hair out of here.
I'm sorry. Do I look even?
I don't know.
Alright, foundation done. What's next?
This stuff.
The Wonder Glow?
Yeah, I don't know how to use it. Well, I don't know why you're laughing.
I'm laughing because you're squeezing out like $5 of product and I either laugh or cry, so I'm choosing to laugh. Okay, so next you're going in with what?
Foundation.
I thought you already did foundation.
This is powder foundation.
Oh, okay, sorry. Why are you yelling at me? What's your technique here?
To make you look messed up.
No, are you actually trying? Hmm?
Okay.
Does it look good?
Great.
My skin looks good?
Mhm.
Okay, what's next? Okay, so what are you going in with now?
Whatever this is.
What is it?
Bronze, face sculpt and highlight.
What are you gonna do with it?
Sculpt your face. What?
Nothing.
Why are you looking at me like this? Hmm?
I'm not. Like what are you doing right now?
I'm sculpting your face.
Into what?
Beauty.
Do you have like a technique you're doing? Like what you're trying to accomplish?
Just make you look beautiful.
How are you choosing what parts of my face to put this on?
It says.
What's it say?
It says jawline, temples, and side and tip, or tip, sides and tip of nose.
Oh.
Isn't that where you use it?
I mean, I don't know that I would consider the bottom of my cheeks my jawline.
This is your jaw, and this is your jaw.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, jaw lines.
These are my cheekbones, though. Your jawline is like under. I mean, it's fine. You are allowed to do whatever you want. Oh, what's it called?
I don't know what a bronzer is.
It makes things bronzy. What's your technique here? Where
Add some bronze.
just all over?
I don't know.
Well, you're doing something. So what are we going in with?
Blush.
Mm. Do I look pretty?
Mm-hmm.
What made you choose that shade?
Because it's mostly gone. Most have faith.
You just picked up a lot of product. Okay. Oh, okay.
Close your eyes.
Okay. That's it for eyeshadow?
To the bottom too. Is that what you want?
I want whatever you want. I was just asking a question. What?
Do you put it underneath the eye?
I don't know. You can do whatever you want. Makeup is an art.
Close your eyes. Look up.
That tickles.
I don't know.
What's next?
Eyeliner.
What are you gonna do?
Outline your eye.
Okay.
Close your eyes. This is difficult. Okay.
Why does your face look like that?
That did not turn out well at all.
Are you gonna fix it?
I don't know how.
Then what are you doing now?
That's screwed.
What?
I messed that one up too. It's on your eyelid. I don't know how to get it off.
Are you done?
No, but I don't know how to get it off your eyelid.
After it dries, we can.
Move your eyelashes.
Oh, you want to go under? What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, I'm asking, do you want me to look up? What do you want me to do? Okay. Oh my gosh, that tickles so bad.
That looks awful. Totally. We were going good till we got to this. No, we're screwed. Yep.
Oh my god, that tickles so bad.
Yeah, we're
Babe, no swearing on my channel. Oh my gosh, tickles. Are you saying I don't look pretty anymore?
Nope.
I can't see it.
Yep, totally screwed.
Oh, why'd you mess it up? What are we going in with?
Brow stuff.
What are you doing here?
Defining your eyebrow.
Oh, what doing what? What is your technique?
Just to make it look better.
Like fuller, thicker, bigger?
I don't know.
Do they look better?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh god. What do you want me to do?
Put your eyebrows in
My eyebrows? Just don't pull.
there. Why you gotta laugh at me?
I'm scared. Are you gonna be ready for an at-home day date after this?
After this and after you do your own makeup.
You wouldn't go on a date with me looking like this? Why? Would you be embarrassed of me if we were in public? Rude. You're going left-handed?
Don't jump. I'll poke your eye out.
How's my mascara look?
Hmm.
You're down to your last product. Don't what?
Open your mouth. Now you want to take your hands and go.
Do I look pretty?
No.
That's so mean.
The eyeliner is.
You can't swear on my channel. Whoa.
I told you.
Oh my gosh. Wow, this foundation is a little dark and uneven. All right, so how do you think you did? You said on Instagram stories yesterday you were a solid 4 out of 10 in confidence.
Maybe like a 2.
You think you only did a 2?
3. 2.5.
Thanks for doing my makeup.
I'm sorry.
What do you guys think? Do I look pretty? I don't have a lip product. I forgot to grab one.
You can't see your eyeliner on there.
You can't? Can you see my eyeliner? I mean, I'm pretty sure you're not missing it on the bottom. That liquid liner on the bottom. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. What?
It's so bad.
Definitely subscribe. Let us know what other videos you want to see this guy in.
No more makeup.
Why? But you can do other videos with me. Yeah. So subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.